Next one, 31st question. Integral cos root x by root x dx. To solve this, first let us assume root x is equals to t. On differentiating with respect to x on both the sides, we know what is d by dx of root x. It is 1 by 2 root x is equals to differentiation of t dt by dx. Now we can write this as dx is equals to 2 root x dt, or we can write dx by root x is equals to 2 dt. We can substitute in it. Now in the question we have integral cos root x into dx by root x. Now as per our assumption, that is root x equals to t, when we substitute it here we get cos t, and in the place of dx by root x we substitute 2 dt. Here 2 is constant, we take it out of integration 2 and we are left over with integral cos t dt. We know the formula for integral cos x dx. It is sin x. So formula for cos is sin t, and what is the value of t? It is root x. It is equals to 2 sin root x plus c. This is the final answer. Similarly, this 32nd question, it is given as integral sin root x by root x dx. To solve this, let us assume root x is equals to t. Next, on differentiating with respect to x on both the sides, d by dx of root x. d by dx of root x is equals to d by dx of t. d by dx of root x 1 by 2 root x, and d by dx of t, it is dt by dx. dx by root x can be written as 2 dt. So now in this question we can write this as sin root x into dx by root x. Integral. Now what is root x? It is equals to t as per our assumption. So when we substitute it here we get sin t, and in the place of dx by root x we substitute 2 dt. Now 2 is a constant, take it out of the integration and we are left over with integral sin t dt. What is the formula for integral sin x dx? It is minus cos x, minus cos t. Here we are integrating with respect to t, therefore minus cos t. Now what is the value of t? It is root x. Minus 2 into cos root x plus c. This is the final answer. Next, coming to 33rd question. It is given as integral e power x into sin e power x dx. To solve this, let us assume e power x is equals to t. On differentiating with respect to x on both the sides, d by dx of e power x is equals to d by dx of t. d by dx of e power x is e power x. For this, dt by dx. Now, in the place of e power x dx, we can substitute dt. In the question, we can write this as sin e power x into e power x into dx. I have rewritten this in this form, sin x e power x into, and this e power x and dx, e power x into dx. Now, as per the assumption, e power x is equals to t. I write sin t. In the place of e power x I substituted t, and here e power x into dx, e power x into dx is equals to dt. Integral sin t dt. What is the formula? Minus cos t. What is the value of t? It is e power x. Minus cos e power x plus c. This is the final answer. Next, 34th question. It is given as integral cot square x into cosecant square x dx. There is no direct formula to solve this. So we go for substitution method. So let us assume cot x is equals to t. On differentiating with respect to x on both the sides, d by dx of cot x is equals to d by dx of t. We know d by dx of cot x is minus cosecant square x. It is equals to dt by dx. Now minus cosecant square x into dx is equals to dt, or cosecant square x into dx is equals to minus dt. Now in the question we have given integral cot square x into cosecant square x dx. In the first step, we substitute in the place of cot x, we substitute t. It becomes t square, and cosecant square x into dx, cosecant square x dx, it is minus dt. So here minus 1, it is constant. We take it out of the integration and we are left over with integral t square dt. This is in the form of integral x power n dx. It is equals to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. When we substitute the formula here, minus 1 like that only for integral t square. When we substitute this, it becomes t power 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 and minus 1. T power 2 plus 1 is 3 by 3. And what is the value of t? It is cot x. Minus 1 by 3. In the place of t, I substituted cot x whole cube plus 6. This is the final answer. Next, 35th question. It is given as integral 1 minus 1 by x square into e power x plus 1 by x. To solve this, there is no direct formula. Again, we go for substitution method. In substitution method, let us assume x plus 1 by x is equals to t. That is, I have assumed this value is equals to t. Then, on differentiating with respect to x on both the sides, d by dx of x plus 1 by x is equals to d by dx of t. d by dx of x is 1 plus d by dx of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. It is equals to dt by dx. Now 1 minus 1 by x square into dx is equals to dt. Now when we look at the question, I rewrite this as e power x plus 1 by x into, here we have dx. We are integrating with respect to dx. 1 minus 1 by x square dx. Now, as per the assumption, x plus 1 by x equals to t, integral e power t, and here 1 minus 1 by x square dx. It is dt. Integral e power t dt. We know the formula for integral e power x dx. It is equals to e power x plus c. When we substitute the formula here, we get e power t. What is the value of t as per the assumption? E power x plus 1 by x plus c is the final answer. From this, we can conclude with the formula. If we have integral e power f of x into f dash of x dx is equals to e power f of x plus c. That is, in the power of e, let the function be f of x and the differentiation be in the product form, that is f dash of x. We can directly write the formula e power f of x. Let us take this example, e power f of x. Let this be f of x. By differentiating with respect to x, we get 1 minus 1 by x square. Finally we get this one, f of e power f of x, that is the same, e power x plus 1 by x. We can use these formulas for objective type questions for easy answering. Next question, 36th one, integral x power 5 by 1 plus x power 12 dx. To solve this, there is no direct formula, so we go for substitution method. In the first step of this, let me write x power 5 by 1 plus this x power 12. I can write this as x power 6 whole square dx. Now, let us assume x power 6 is equals to t. On differentiating with respect to x on both the sides, d by dx of x power 6 is equals to d by dx of t. d by dx of x power 6 is 6x power 5. It is equals to dt by dx. In the place of x power 5 into dx, it is equals to dt by 6. Now, here, in the place of x power 5 into dx, we can substitute dt by 6. And in the denominator, 1 plus, in the place of x power 6, we substitute t. As per the assumption, x power 6 value is t and t square. Now, here 1 by 6 is constant. 1 by 6. Take it out of the integration. We have integral 1 by 1 plus t square dt. Now, this is in the form of integral 1 by 1 plus x square dx. It is equals to tan inverse of x plus c. When we substitute the formula, we have 1 by 6 into tan inverse of t. What is the value of t? It is x power 6. 1 by 6 into tan inverse of x power 6 plus c. This is the final answer. Next, 37th one. It is given as integral x power 8 by 1 plus x power 18 dx. This is similar to this problem, 36th problem. In the first step, let me write x power 8 as it is, and in the denominator 1 plus x power. This 18 can be written as x power 9 whole square dx. Now, let us assume x power 9 is equals to t. On differentiating with respect to x on both the sides, we get 9x power 8 is equals to dt by dx. And x power 8 dx can be written as dt by 9. When we substitute it here, integral, in the place of x power 8 into dx, I substitute dt by 9. And in the denominator, 1 plus, in the place of x power 9, t square. Here, 1 by 9 constant, take it out of the integration. And we have the form of integral 1 by 1 plus x square dx. Yes, the formula is right. It is equals to tan inverse of x plus c. When we substitute it, we get 1 by 9 into tan inverse of t. What is the value of t? It is x power 9. 1 by 9 into tan inverse of x power 9 plus c is the final answer. Next, 38th one. Here we have integral 2x cube by 1 plus x power 8 dx. To solve this, in the first step, let me write 2x cube as it is, and in the denominator 1 plus x, and this 8 as x power 4 whole square dx. Okay, now let us assume x power 4. Let us assume x power 4 is equals to t. On differentiating with respect to x, we get 4x cube is equals to dt by dx. x cube into dx is equals to dt by 4. Now integral 2 by 1 plus x power 4 whole square and x cube dx. I have written this x cube with dx and 2 here, and we are left over with 2 by, in the place of x power 4 I substitute t, it becomes 1 plus t square, and in the place of x cube dx we substitute dt by 4. 2 1s are 2 2s are 1 by 2 constant, take it out of the integration, 1 by 1 plus t square dt, we know the formula, 1 by 2 into tan inverse of t. What is the value of t? X power 4. 1 by 2 into tan inverse of x power 4 plus 6. This is the final answer. Next one, 39th question. It is given as integral x square by square root of 1 minus x power 6 dx. In the first step, let me write x square as it is, and in the denominator 1 minus, in the place of x power 6 I substitute x cube whole square, it becomes x power 6 dx. Now let us assume x power 3 is equals to t. On differentiating with respect to x on both sides, we get 3x square is equals to dt by dx. In the place of x square dx, we substitute 1 by 3 dt. I have written this 3 in the denominator, it becomes 1 by 3 dt. Now, the answer, in the place of x cube dx, x square dx, I substitute 1 by 3 dt. And in the denominator, square root of 1 minus, in the place of x cube, t square. Here 1 by 3 constant, take it out of the integration, 1 by 3 integral 1 by square root of 1 minus t square into dt. This is in the form of integral 1 by square root of 1 minus x square dx is equals to sine inverse of x plus c. And we substitute the formula, we get 1 by 3 sine inverse of t. What is the value of t? X cube. 1 by 3 into sine inverse of x cube plus c. This is the final answer. Next one, 40. It is given as integral secant square x by 1 plus tan x whole cube dx. We know in the differentiation formulas, d by dx of tan x is secant square x. So, let us assume Let us assume Let us assume 1 plus tan x is equals to t. Now differentiating with respect to x on both the sides. d by dx of 1 plus tan x is equals to d by dx of t. d by dx of 1, 0 plus d by dx of tan x is secant square x is equals to dt by dx. In the place of secant square x into dx, we can write dt. Now, in the place of secant square x into dx, we substitute dt, and in the denominator, it is t cube. We can write this as integral t power minus 3 into dt. This is in the form of integral x power n dx. X power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. And we substitute the formula, we have t power minus 3 plus 1 by minus 3 plus 1. The denominator, we get t power minus 2 by minus 2. It is equals to minus 1 by 2 into, what is the value of t? 1 plus tan x whole power minus 2. Or we can write this as minus 1 by 2 by 1 plus tan x whole square plus c. I have written it in the denominator part. Next, 41st one. It is given as integral 2 by square root of 2 minus 2x plus 3 whole square dx. if we look at the formulas, in each and every formula, here we have the value of 1, that is 1 minus x square, 1 plus x square, like that. So in the first step, let us take 2 common out of this whole value. When we take 2 common in the denominator, we have 1 minus 2x plus 3 whole square by 2 into dx. It is equals to integral 2 by, when we take square root outside, we have square root of 1 minus 2x plus 3. We can write the 2 as square root into square root. I have written square root 2 whole square dx. I think everyone has understood this step. Now 2 and root 2. I can write this 2 as root 2 into root 2. This root 2 gets cancelled and root 2 is constant, take it out of the integration. We have integral 1 by square root of 1 minus 2x by root 2 plus 3 by root 2 whole square dx. It is equals to root 2 integral 1 by square root of 1 minus, these 2 can be assumed as root 2 into root 2, 1 root 2 gets cancelled, 1 root 2 gets cancelled, and we are left over with root 2x plus 3 by root 2 whole square dx. Now this is in the form of integral 1 by square root of 1 minus x square dx. This whole function, that is x square form. So when we substitute the formula, root 2 into sine inverse of x, root 2x plus 3 by root 2 and whole divided by root 2. Coefficient of x is root 2. So I have written root x in the denominator. This root 2 gets cancelled. Finally, we have sine inverse of root 2x plus 3 by root 2 plus c. Next one, 42nd question. It is given as integral x cube into sine x power 4 dx. To solve this, let us assume x power 4 is equals to t. On differentiating with respect to x on both the sides, d by dx of x power 4 is equals to d by dx of t. d by dx of x power 4 is 4x cube. It is equals to dt by dx. In the place of x cube, dx, dt by 4. Now here, let me write this as sine x power 4 into x cube dx. As per the assumption, x power 4 equals to t, it becomes sine t, and in the place of x cube dx, dt by 4. Here 1 by 4 is constant, take it out of the integration and integral sine t dt. We know the formula for integral sine x dx. It is equals to minus cos x plus c. And we substitute it here. We have 1 by 4 into minus cos t. What is the value of t? It is x power 4. Minus 1 by 4 into cos x power 4 plus c. I have written this minus out. Minus 1 by 4 into cos x power 4 plus c. Next, 43rd one. It is given as integral e power x into 1 plus x by cos square x e power x. To solve this, let us assume x e power x is equals to t. This is in the uv form. d by dx of, when we differentiate this uv, that is in product form, Formula for this is u dash v plus v dash u. On differentiating with respect to x, on both the sides, d by dx of x e power x is equals to d by dx of t. This is in uv form, u dash v plus v dash u. That is d by dx of x into e power x plus x into d by dx of e power x is equals to dt by dx. I think you have learned this formula in the differentiation. d by dx of x is 1, e power x as it is, x into d by dx of e power x it is equals to dt by dx. Now we have e power x. When we take e power x common, we have 1 plus x. It is equals to dt by dx. When we look at the question, we have this value e power x into 1 plus x in the numerator place. So e power x 1 plus x into dx is equals to dt. In the first step of the solution, let me write 1 by cos square x e power x into e power x into 1 plus x dx. This term we write it as dt, integral 1 by dt, and cos square in the place of x e power x we substitute t. In the trigonometry we have 1 by cos as secant. Here we have 1 by cos square t. Then it becomes secant square t dt. In integration we have integral secant square x dx. It is equals to tan x plus c. When we substitute the formula, we have tan t. What is the value of t? It is x e power x. It is equals to tan x e power x plus c. This is the final answer. Next one, 44th question. It is given as integral cosecant square x by a plus b cot x whole square dx. To solve this, we know d by dx of cot x is minus cosecant square x. It is in the numerator place. So, let us assume a plus b cot x is equals to t. On differentiating with respect to x on both the sides, d by dx of a plus b cot x is equals to d by dx of t. d by dx of constant 0, d by dx of b cot x b, and cot x minus cosecant square x into dt by is equals to dt by dx. In the place of cosecant square x dx, therefore cosecant square x into dx is equals to dt by minus b. Okay. Now I substitute this in the question. In the place of cosecant square x dx, I substitute dt by minus b, and in the denominator t square. A plus b cot x is t and it has square, it becomes t square. Here 1 by minus b, constant, take it out of the integration. We are left over with 1 by t square dt. I can write this as minus 1 by b and t power minus 2 dt. I have written this 1 by t square as t power minus 2 dt. This is in the form of integral x power n dx. We know the formula. It is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. When we substitute the formula here, it becomes t power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1. It is equals to minus 1 by b into t power minus 1 by minus 1. This minus minus gets cancelled. 1 by b and 1 by, I have written t power minus 1 as 1 by t. What is the value of t? It is a plus b cot x. It is equals to 1 by b into a plus b cot x plus c. This is the final answer. Next one, 45th one. We have integral sine square x dx. We have formula for integral sine x. It is minus cos x. For integral sine square x, we don't have direct formula. In trigonometry, sine square x value is equals to 1 minus cos 2x by 2. So I substitute this value here. It becomes integral 1 minus cos 2x whole divided by 2 dx. Here 1 by 2 constant, take it out of the integration and we integrate for the each term. We are left over with 1 minus cos 2x dx. Now integrating the each term. 1 by 2 integral 1 dx minus integral cos 2x dx. Cos 2x dx. It is equals, let me write it here, 1 by 2. For integral 1 dx, it is x minus integral cos 2x sin 2x by 2. Integral cos ax, we have formula for integral cos ax. We write it here. Integral cos ax is equals to sin ax by a, that is coefficient of x. Here integral cos 2x, that is sin 2x by 2. Plus this is the final answer. Similarly, for 46th one, integral cos square x dx. To solve this, we don't have direct formula. We use this trigonometric formula. Cos square x is equals to 1 plus sin 2x by 2. When we substitute it here, 1 plus sin 2x by, formula for cos square x is 1 plus cos x by 2. And we substitute it here, 1 plus cos x by 2 dx. 1 by 2 constant, take it out of the integration and we are left over with integral 1 plus cos 2x dx. Integrating for the each term, one by 2 integral 1 dx x, integral cos 2x is sin 2x by 2 plus. Next 47th one. It is given as integral sine square ax plus b dx. This is similar. 45th and 47 are similar. So in the place of sine square x, we substitute 1 minus cos 2x by 2 form. Then it becomes 1 minus cos 2 into ax plus b by 2 dx. 1 by 2 constant, take it out of the integration and separating the integration, integral 1 dx minus integral cos 2ax plus 2 dx. 1 by 2 integral 1 dx is x minus integral of cos is sin plus 2b by 2a. Coefficient of x is 2a plus c. This is the final answer. Next 48th one. Here we have tan square 2x plus 3. We don't have direct formula for integral tan square. Therefore, in the trigonometry, tan square x is equals to secant square x minus 1. From the identity of secant square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1, we substitute tan square x is equals to secant square x minus 1. When we substitute the formula here, we get secant square 2x plus 3 minus 1 dx. And we separate integration for the each term. We have integral secant square 2x plus 3 minus integral 1 dx. We have direct formula for integral secant square x. It is tan x. Tan of 2x plus 3 minus integral 1 dx is x plus, this is the final answer. Next one, 49th question. It is given as integral cos cube x dx. In trigonometry we have cos 3x. Cos 3x is equals to 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. From this we can write cos cube x is equals to cos 3x plus 3 cos x by 4. Now here in the place of cos cube x I substitute cos 3x plus 3 cos x by 4. Now separating integration for the each term and taking out the constants. For the first term we have 1 by 4 constant cos 3x dx plus for the second term 1 by 4 integral 3 by 4. Here in the numerator we have 3 by 4 cos x dx. We know the formula for integral cos ax is equals to sin ax by a, and for integral cos x dx is equals to sin x plus c. When we substitute the formula integral cos ax 1 by 4 cos 3x by 3 plus 3 by 4 for integral cos x, integral cos is sin 3x, integral cos x is sin x. Finally for 3 are 12, 1 by 12 into sin 3x plus 3 by 4 into sin x plus c. Next 50. Integral sin cube x dx. In trigonometry we have sin 3x value. Sin 3x is equals to 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. From here the sin cube x is equals to 3 sin x minus sin 3x by 4. In this place let me write 3 sin x minus sin 3x by 4 dx. Now separating integration for the each term and taking constant out of the integration. We have 3 by 4 integral sin x dx minus 1 by 4 integral sin 3x dx. Integral sin x dx. Integral sin x dx is equals to minus cos x integral sin ax dx. What is the formula for integral sin ax dx? It is minus cos ax by a. When we substitute the formula 3 by 4, formula is minus cos x minus 1 by 4 integral sin 3x is minus cos 3x by 3. Finally minus 3 by 4 cos x minus of minus plus 1 by 4 3s are 12 cos 3x plus c. This is the final answer. Next 51. It is given as integral x square by square root of x plus 5 dx. To solve this, let us assume square root of x plus 5 is equals to t. Squaring on both sides becomes x plus 5 equals to t square. On differentiating with respect to x on both the sides, we get d by dx of x plus 5 is equals to d by dx of t square. D by dx of x is 1, constant 0. For d by dx of t square 2t into dt by dx. In the place of dx we can substitute 2t dt. Now here there is x square. So from this step x plus 5 equals to t square, let me write x is equals to t square minus 5. Then in the place of x, t square minus 5 whole square by t In the place of dx, I substitute 2t dt. Now this t gets cancelled. 2 constant, take it out of the integration, and we have t square minus 5 whole square. T square minus 5 whole square. This is in the form of a minus b whole square. We know the formula for a minus b whole square. It is a square plus b square minus 2ab. And we substitute it. It becomes t power 4. Let me write it once. T power 4 plus 25 minus 5 to the 10 t square dt. Now separating integration for the each term, we have integral t power 4 dt plus integral 25 dt minus integral 10 t square dt. This is in the form of integral x power n dx. It is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. And we substitute it here. It becomes 4 plus 1, 5 by 5 plus integral 25 constant, take it out of the integration. Integral 1 dt, it becomes t minus integral 10 constant, take it out of integration. For t square, it becomes t cube by 3. Now, value of t is root of x plus 5. Substituting the value of t, root of x plus 5 whole power 5 by 5 plus 25 into square root of x plus 5 minus 10 into square root of x plus 5 whole cube by 3 plus c. This is the final answer. Next 52nd one. It is given as integral x square by square root of 1 minus x dx. This is same as 51st one. Therefore, let us assume square root of 1 minus x is equals to t. Then 1 minus x is equals to t square. We can write x is equals to 1 minus t square. Now, differentiating with respect to x on both the sides, d by dx of 1 minus x is equals to d by dx of t square 0 minus 1. D by dx of x is 1. It is equals to 2t dt by dx. Dx can be written as minus 2t dt. When we substitute it here, in the place of x, 1 minus t square whole square by t, here minus 2t dt. T cancel, minus 2 out of integration, 1 minus t square whole square dt is equals to minus 2 integral 1 minus t square whole square dt. This is in the form of a minus b whole square. When we substitute the formula, we have 1 square 1 plus t power 4 minus 2t square dt. Now, separating integration for the each term, we get integral 1 dt plus integral t power 4 dt minus integral 2t square dt is equals to minus 2 integral 1 dt t plus for t power 4 t power 5 by 5 minus 2t cube by 3. What is the value of t? Root of 1 minus x. Minus 2 into root of 1 minus x plus root of 1 minus x whole power 5 by 5 minus 2 root of 1 minus x whole cube by 3.